we got, Preach?
Counted 4 reds around the barn, plus 1 MG nest. Mostly small arms. I'm thinking squad strength at best, boss.
We don't know what's in that barn, though. We gotta find a way around these guys. See, Matt. Can't be too far away from the border.
All right, SATCOM puts us right here, LT.
Look, see? It's just 5 clicks south from our position. We need to make it over that ridge.
Yeah, the border's just on the other side.
All right, boys, on me. We're gonna hug that tree line. The border's right over there, and we're home free, boys. Preach. Take point. Watch out for snipers.
You gotta look out for me.
Okay, Preach. Go get the fire. Let's go.
LT.
Truck at 6 o'clock.
Hey, down!
Hold your fire, boys.
I don't give a damn about what man. Just, we need to go in there and handle our business. There's no way we can let that ride. Come on, man. I don't give a damn about any of that, man. We need to
All right, listen up. Preach. Head up west on that tree line and secure the west flank. Keep your eye on the 50. On my go, take him first.
Roger that.
Doc, streets. Set up a choke point at the bend of the road. Zeke and I will close up the back door. Go. That's what I'm talking about.
Heads up, boys. Got some reds getting back in that truck. Guys are taking off. We're gonna make a move. We gotta do it right now.
Copy that, Preach. Stand by. Doc, streets. That truck does not leave. Copy that.
On target.
Bookmaster 7, Roger. This is Bookmaster 7, Roger, engage. 1-8. Clear.
Target down.
reinforcement. Contact front.
Changing mag.
Кучка, собирайтесь! На колени!
Loading.
Fucker!
Come on, Breach.
Подъехало две машины, восьмерка черная и черная.
Идет или нет?
Да.
Почему он не говорил?
Посмотрим, что у тебя в багажнике.
Where the fuck you coming from?
No shot.
You okay?
Подождите!
Back chain, cover! Breach, get a beat on that motor steam. Go! Moving.
All targets down. Now take out that mortar team. LT, threat neutralized.
You okay?
You got one in the leg.
Streets, you okay?
Yeah, doing real great back there. What you get for getting out of cover?
Hey man, you missed a pretty big firefight hiding down there, you Sally. You gonna make it?
Ha ha ha, bitch. Mostly small arms out there, huh, Preach?
It's time to take shrapnel to the leg. So your mom might get you home safe. Just let LT wrap you up. Let LT out and everything else. I'll make you all better. You're the doc. You're the corpsman, not me. You're the monkey kumbak pits. Are you serious right now?
He's alright?
Are you serious?
Hey Doc, are you alright?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good, man.
Doc, sissy.